Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how to test your REST API by using the Postman. So let's start. First step, install the Postman software. So from where I need to download? Very simple. In the Google, just type Postman download. So click on this one. Download the app. Once you click on this one, it will ask you whether you need 64-bit or 32-bit cell. Just save the file. Next. Automatically it will install the Postman software. Second step, configure the requests, sample requests or test requests in the Postman software. So let me open my Postman software, which is I already downloaded and installed. Once you open, you are going to see this kind of UI. Now the first step will be create collection. The collection name I am going to take it as a student. Why? Because I am working on the students REST API. So right now in this one you can add or you can test any of the request REST API methods. Like you can test the get method, or you can test the post method, put method, delete method. So right now I am creating a post request. So right now I'm going to give the name it as insert. It is totally fine. So click on post. We need to configure the URL HTTP. The server is running on my machine, that is why localhost colon 3000 / insert student. Now sir, URL is finished. Now we need to configure the data part. So right now we need to send the JSON data, that is why we need to configure post insert student content type, where it is a header set there. Now application / JSON means we are telling to the server I am sending the JSON data, so that your body parser read the request data, convert into the JSON format directly. Body, click on the raw. Now let me go to the database. So right now I'm going to configure ID colon 3 comma name colon S3. So everything is configured correctly. Let me click on send. Error connect means there is a problem. Why it is a problem? Because right now we didn't start our server yet. So let me start our server. How to start our server, sir? Node app.js. So right now server started. So let me send the request once again. So now you can see in session success. So I configure the post request, I gave the post URL, I configure the headers as a content type equal to application or JSON, I configure the body where I provided the JSON data, ID value 3, name value S3. Now once I click on the send, your data will be inserted into the database, means request sent to your previous REST API of your Express. This method will be called. In this one we are communicating with our students collection. We are calling the insert one. All your converted data, all your JSON data will be inserted into the database. That is theory. Let us verify whether it is completed or not. Awesome. So see sir, I am able to insert the record into the database. Sir, I want to update. How can I do that? So create update request. or create put request. Click on this one, add request. So here I'm going to call it as update. What type of request should be? Update. So right now here I need to provide the update URL because I am testing the put method. So right now your put method is registered on what URL, sir? Update student. So I need to configure the same. 3000 means server IP address. The same way headers I need to configure content type equal to application/JSON. Body, we need to send the updated values. Click on the raw because I want to provide the JSON data directly. ID colon 3, I want to update the third record. Name updation, name colon, what is the value, sir? RK. So everything is ready. Let us send. Update success. Awesome. Go to your database, refresh. See, sir, earlier we inserted S3. Right now you can see what is the value? RK. The value is updated. This is the way we can test our put method. Next one, sir, I want to delete the record. How can I do that? Configure, add a new request. This one I will call it as a delete. Now you need to configure the delete request. HTTP protocol localhost where my server is running on. 3000 is my port number. Now your delete method URL. So I want to test this method. So right now this method is expecting only ID value because to delete this one I don't want other any value, but we need to configure this one as a content type as application/JSON. Body, you don't need to send other value because only we are expecting ID value colon 3. Now everything is ready. Click on the send. Awesome. Delete success. Let us see whether it is faking or actually deleted the record. So see, sir, I am able to delete the record also. So this is the way I can test my delete method. Next one, the final method, I am going to show you how to access the record, means how to do the get request. Access, get HTTP colon localhost colon 3000 slash, let me give the URL, get all students. We are not sending any value, that is why we don't need of any other headers or body information. See, sir, we are able to access the records which are available in the database. So this is the way I can test my application by using the Postman. So right now we are not writing the client, but we want to verify our REST API is working or not. That is our requirement, and we are able to test our REST API by using the Postman. So please practice this example also or this configuration also in your system. If you get any problem, please type in the comment window and I will verify that and I will reply back. Thank you guys.